So this is my URL from the project. I will now download it. So I'll just drag this and drop into my workspace. Let me say something. I'll just drop here because I'm using Eclipse. So new Node.js something just to appear here in my Eclipse. So this is the project I just downloaded from Bitbucket. As you can see, I don't have the components here for the server or for the client, so we need to install. So we just go to the path, alright, workspace, my application is here like something. Well, let's start for this installing the server. So here, in order to install the server, we have to run the npm install. Okay, now that we installed the server, let's do the same with the client. So we just change to the client folder, and here we're gonna use Bower. Takes a little bit of time. Well, for this app, I decided using mysql just because I had several projects with this database, so I'm using MAMP. The server is just started and I set up everything before recording this video. So I'm going to show you that I have this environment, MAMP, and I have the database mood.db, and I also have two tables, tmood and tuser, that have no rows. Okay, so we're going to start like from scratch. This script, in order to create your structure, is available here, t_user.sql. If you just run this, you have the structure of the database. So basically we initiate the server, run as node app. As you can see, this application is working on port 3000. So we're gonna just browser now localhost 3000. So I decided to create this app integrated with Facebook, as suggested that was possible. So I'm gonna log in using my Facebook account. In future, I think it's interesting to integrate with Twitter and Google, and this will be much better. So as soon as we log in, we can see this, that it's one of the main screens of the app, because basically here the user can pick their mood. So let's say, for example, right now that, well, I didn't provide any data, so but we also have a button here to access the dashboards, because we have no records in our database. So when we check here, we basically have nothing, zero, no graphic. Well, we don't have data. and even if we try detail reports, we have nothing. But as soon as we decide to pick something, so I'm feeling motivated, and it's up to the user to describe why he's feeling motivated or not. Let me say, because I finished this app. So as soon as I confirm, as you can see, I'm getting the color from the matrix. So again, if I pick a different color, I'm satisfied or I'm grateful, so this becomes green. So now I'm grateful because I finished this app as soon as I confirm. So now, as we can see, something happened here. So I have one record for grateful, and I'm comparing the 10 most important moods. Now, for example, since we started using, everything was from the green quadrant. I also can display info about the month, how the user is recording and how the moods are changing every month. And also we can compare based on the last 3 years. Additionally, we have a table where we can see the description of the mood and the date, and we can also organize this because we just have one. Let me just insert different ones. So let me pick randomly. I'm feeling uneasy and focused. I'm gonna just type something so you can see the text, and let me put some different colors with comments or not, it's optional, and put just one more and one more green. I'm comfy. Okay. So right now we can see, because here we can have 10 different words. We just pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm comparing. I'm gonna show you later this graphic, but it basically shows the top 10 moods from since the beginning of using this app. And here we can see the quadrants. So we have 50% or 3 moods that are in the green quadrant, and the other ones have the same percentage, 1 word each. And here we can see the same, but it's organized based on month. So we can see here that October have 6 instances, while in September we have nothing, and in November we have nothing. And here again, the same kind of dashboard, but organized by year. Well, because we provide this description, so it's interesting that we can check it. So we have a different page, because here everything since the very first day of using the app will be available for the user. So this is his log, their log. So basically here they have access to their mood and description and date, and again they can sort based on date, on time in this case here, because we are doing everything right now based on description, based on mood. We can also have search. So imagine that we have focused here, and if I just start writing FO, so we can see here. And also I don't have lots of data here, but this is supporting pagination. So if we have hundreds or thousands of registers, this will not be a problem. The user will find everything he needs really easy and quick. And that's it. I hope this can give you an idea of what I was having fun in the last days and hours. Thank you for the opportunity. This was a really interesting